Installing new capacitor. Old one had black, green and white around prong areas. New one has fan, C, heem. 2 orange, 1 brown and 1 purple wire. Where do the wires connect?
Hi, I am number 39, am Tim and I am number 39, am an HVAC expert here to assist you with your questions. Please provide all information I request as it makes it more difficult to troubleshoot something when I am number 39, am not there on site. Essentially, you become my eyes and ears. Thanks for the opportunity to help. Can you upload pics of new and old caps?
Sorry, no pics. Legend on the old capacitor shows the black cap is C and white cap is herm. That would make the green the fan.
Okay, well I'll need more information here. I'll see if I can pull up a wiring diagram of this old unit. I would also need to know what capacitor you are using as a replacement. Part hash, website where you bought it, something to help me identify what we are working with here.
Air conditioner PN Waka 030 Jazz, original capacitor PN 43-23204-05, new capacitor 4P/N43 2513311. It is a 35/3/440. I picked up at a dealer supply.
In the original wiring diagram, it shows purple is going to herm, red to C or common and brown to fan. In the original wiring diagram I do not see a white.
I do not have a red wire, but 2 orange wires, 1 purple and 1 brown. Purple was connected to a plug by itself, so that means 1 orange to C and 1 orange to fan, right? The red would be the orange coming off the switch.
The and quad, orange and quad, wires were probably originally red and have just faded. This happens all the time. So 1 orange on C at the cap goes to the contactor and then the other to fan motor, correct?
The orange at the switch has a red wire jumped at the bottom. I attach this to C. The other orange leads to the fan and I attached it to fan. The fan should be blowing air out of the top, right? If it's drawing in air, do I reverse the brown and orange wires on the plug?
No, the red is a common picked up at the contactor and going to fan motor. So there would be an orange going to fan motor and a brown, from fan and capacitor. The 2 oranges would be connected to C at the new capacitor and 1 then goes to the contactor and the other to the fan motor. Yes, if there is a reversible plug on fan motor, then yes, fan should blow out the top. If you changed fan motor, then I would need to see the wiring diagram off new motor because this changes everything. I am just working off original wiring diagram.
Did not change the motor, both orange on C, purple on herm, fan is blowing through the top and all seems to be working.
Great. We got it. Yes, good luck. Otherwise, experts work at their own time and expense. Feel free to post back with any additional questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.